Welcome to the demo of the 25B feature, View and Manage Work Orders based on project, task, and country of origin details in the Production Supervisor workbench. With this update, production supervisors can efficiently view and manage work orders based on project, task, and country of origin details within the Production Supervisor workbench. They can quickly search and filter work orders, ensuring better tracking and compliance with country-specific production requirements. The workbench provides visibility into key attributes such as project number, task number, and country of origin, helping supervisors stay informed and make data-driven decisions. Log into the application as a production supervisor. Click Supply Chain Execution and then click Work Execution. Being on the Work Execution page, select Production Supervisor from the list of actions. You can now view the project and task number filters. Click the project's filter and select a project name. This displays the work order that includes project details. Click the work order name to view its details. You can now view the project details and task number for the work order in the Details tab. Now, let's move to the Transaction History tab. Here, you can see the project and task number details for the work order. You can also customize your view by selecting additional columns to include the country of origin and common inventory details. Click the column selector icon to adjust the layout and ensure these details are visible for the work orders. The controls have already been rearranged for you. Click the cross button to continue. Here, you can review the transaction details for a work order, including the country of origin and common inventory. This concludes the demo. Thank you.